the number of significant numbers which can be formed by using any number of the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but using each not more than once in each number is. So here required the number of significant numbers. Significant numbers are the numbers which start with the non-zero digit numbers. So here 5 digits are given. Given 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to frame the number of significant numbers which can be formed by using any number of the digits. Means it can be a single digit, it can be a single digit number, or a 2-digit number, or a 3-digit number, or we can take 4-digit number, and since 5 digits are given, it can be a 5-digit number. So if it is a single digit number, since it is a significant number, we cannot consider the 0 as a number. So other than 0 there are 4 possibilities. So 0 is not accepted, so we had 4 possible ways. So the number of single digit numbers can be taken is 4. And coming to the 2-digit number, since the first place, that is the tens place, cannot be taken 0, 0 is not accepted in the tens place. So tens place the possibility can be taken out of these 5 digits. 0 is not accepted, so 4 possibilities are there, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 can be inserted in the first place, so 4 ways. And then if one digit is utilized in the first place, then the remaining digits are 4 digits, so 4 into 4, 16 ways. So 16 numbers can be formed, 2-digit numbers. And coming to the 3-digit number, and again here also the first place, that is a ones, tens, hundreds place cannot be taken 0, so 0 is not accepted here. So the remaining digits are 4. For hundreds place it's the 4 possibilities. If one digit is occupied, then the remaining are 4 digits, so 4 in the tens place. And again if 2 digits are occupied, then 3 in the ones place. So 4 into 4 into 3, it's a 16 threes are 48 numbers are possible for 3-digit numbers. And coming to 4-digit number, so again the 4 ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place 0 is not accepted, so the first place cannot be taken 0, so there are 4 possibilities. And if then the next place can be taken 4 ways. And then if 2 digits are occupied, then the third place can be taken in 3 possibilities. And then fourth place can be taken 2 possibilities. So 4 into 4 into 3 into 2, so we can say here 96. So 96 numbers are 4-digit numbers. And for 5-digit number, so for 5-digit number, again in the first place cannot be placed 0, so the first place can be occupied by 4. And then again if one digit is occupied, then the next place can be taken 4 possibilities, because out of 5 numbers, 5 digits, one digit already occupied, so then 4 possibilities. And if 2 digits are occupied out of 5, then 3 possibilities for, and if 3 digits are occupied, then 2 possibilities for the next number. And then there is only one digit possible for the last place. So we had 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, again it is 96 numbers. So that the total number of significant numbers, therefore the number of significant numbers from the given digits which can be taken as either single digit number or 4, or so addition principle you will use 2-digit number, that's a 16, and 3-digit numbers are 48, and 4-digit numbers are 96, and 5-digit numbers are 96. So 4 plus 16 plus 48 plus 96 plus 96, so which gives the answer, this is 20, 20 plus 48, 68, and again here 96 plus 96 is 180, 192. So we'll have now 190 plus 60, 250, 250 plus 10, 260. So there are 260 numbers. So we can go with an option B. Option B is the answer. Okay.